You will love the features of this 2021 Land Rover Range Rover. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Indulge in the best life has to offer when you take the wheel of this richly appointed, highly capable Range Rover. Plush, hushed, and powerful, this breathtakingly modern, supremely luxurious off-roader transports you in every sense of the word. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, four-wheel drive, wood grain interior trim, heated rear seat, fog lamps, premium sound system, heated mirrors, power passenger seat. Find your sanctuary in this powerfully elegant Range Rover. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.